Hey guys, Spark from Blade Forums here, and today we're going to talk about the Benchmade fact. Well, no, not the typical fact. Today we're going to look at something that you don't see every day, a SHOT Show 2019 exclusive Benchmade fact 417GY-1901. As you can see, the box is marked 417GY-1901, and this is number 327 of 1000. This version of the fact was limited to 1,000 pieces and has a couple noticeable differences from the standard 417 model. Opening the box, we see the standard Benchmade microfiber bag, and when we remove the fact, we see the access card under the pocket clip, signifying that this knife is equipped with a Benchmade access lock. The red anodized thumb studs and the gray twill carbon fiber handle scales are two obvious differences that set this limited edition apart from the standard model. Notice the way that the gray twill carbon fiber catches the light. So let's dive a bit deeper into the 417GY-1901. The limited edition fact has a 3.95-inch spear point blade made of CPM S30B steel. The finish is a smoke gray PVD coating, accented by bright red anodized aluminum thumb studs. The standard 417 BK has a Cerakoted blade. The fact is flat ground and comes in a plain edge. Serrated options are not available. Looking at the skeletonized back, you can see that the barrel spacers have also been anodized red, while the liners are bright silver. The standard 417 in comparison has black liners and black spacers. The 417GY-1901 has an access lock, no real change from the standard model. The lock operates off shear strength. Two omega springs press a hardened steel pin forward into a notch on the back of the blade. As long as that pin is in place, the blade will not fold. The handle is more likely to separate into pieces than the pin is to be cut through. The access lock was introduced in 1998 by McHenry & Williams, who'd spent 4 years developing and patenting it. Benchmade immediately bought the rights and brought it to market in the Model 710, but the Griptilian models were most people's first exposure to the design. The handle is a gray twill carbon fiber measuring 4.77 inches in length. While the 417GY-1901 retains the skeletonized construction of the standard fact, the carbon fiber scales are smooth, unlike the rich machining on the aluminum handle of the regular model. The carbon fiber scales also shave off a bit of weight. The limited fact weighs 2.93 ounces, while the standard model weighs 3.24 ounces, a weight savings of 0.3 ounces, which is slight but noticeable. The smooth carbon fiber scales really make a difference in how this knife will be carried in the pocket. While the ridged aluminum handle is a great choice for jeans carry, the slick carbon fiber and slim profile make the limited 417GY-1901 a great choice for use with suits or in business casual wear. Like the standard 417, the limited fact has a black coated pivot and handle screws. The 417GY-1901 has a reversible deep carry pocket clip that is PVD coated for durability. Because the pocket clip is reversible, it can be set up for left or right side carry. Though the pocket clip can be reversed, it can only be used in a tip-up orientation. The pocket clip is held in place with two Torx head screws. To change sides, or if you wish to remove the pocket clip, you will need a T6 Torx driver. Okay, so now that we have the overview out of the way, let's talk about what I like and what I don't like about this knife. In the like column, I like the smooth carbon fiber because that makes it much more pocket friendly. The red color accents with the spacers and the thumb studs are pretty dope. I mean, that is a nice thing to see. Benchmade started doing that with the 940-1 and the 940-2, and it's good to see them continuing to do so. The slim design of the knife makes it disappear in your pocket, especially when you're carrying smartphones and other clutter, chapstick, flashlights, lockpicks, Krugerrands, crystal meth, whatever you're into. In the dislike column, I'm not a fan of the gray carbon fiber. It's flashy, and I personally would have preferred black or black and blue or some other low-key color. Yeah, black is kind of played out, and this is a much flashier limited edition model, but my preferences are my preferences. The other thing I don't like is that this is a limited run edition. A standard carbon fiber handle model would have been awesome, especially considering the ease of carry with the smooth handle. Otherwise, this knife is a winner. The Benchmade 417GY-1901 specifications are as follows. The blade material is CPM S30V. It has a blade length of 3.95 inches. The overall length is 8.72 inches. The handle length is 4.77 inches. The handle thickness is 0.70 inches. The handle material is gray twill carbon fiber. The 417GY-1901 has an axis lock. The opening method is dual thumb studs that have been red anodized. The back spacers have also been anodized red. The 417GY-1901 has a tip-up pocket clip that is deep carry and reversible for left-handers. The knife weighs 2.93 ounces. It has a MSRP of $265. Okay folks, we appreciate you watching. If you like this video, we'd appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe, and hey, if you have questions or comments, leave them down below. If you want to discuss this knife and ones like it, please feel free to join the 377,000 members of the BladeForums.com community. Registration and taking part in the discussion is absolutely free. We are a resource bringing knife makers, manufacturers, and end users together to improve the industry as a whole. We look forward to seeing you. Have a good one.